TNT. What? Cool. Okay, someone write this up. Okay. Now we just gotta wait. Wait. What? I don't know. Well, I'm waiting.
Ready? Very carefully.
Oh, it started! It's starting! It's starting! It's starting!
They're sharp. Be careful. Watch your finger.
With the explosions be.
You're gonna stab
Oh,
yourself.
no! It didn't explode the top.
Here.
I'm just gonna set fire to the top. There we go. Woo! That's not the crater it made. That was already there. This is the crater. Okay, what should we do now so we don't look lame? Because it's only a minute.
What the heck happened in here?
What? Wait, I want to ride. I want to ride.
Okay, come here. I'm making dinner.
Push me. Push me. Someone push me. There we go. Aw. Yay. Yeah, that would be awesome.
Are you helping me, Mommy?
Yay, it went in.
I
What do we do now? Yeah.
Is it fixed? Yeah. Okay. Want it to movie zoomy phone?
What pressure plate?
Want it to movie zoomy phone?
But I didn't step on it. It's a mine. I mined here. I mined it here. I mined it here on survival. What? Wait, now how do I get up? Because I know how to fly. But it's supposed to be epic. Oh, the middle isn't on fire. I can survive by standing in the middle. Patrick, make lava on the middle. Oh, in the middle. Yay! Now there's probably no chance of survival. If this is on survival. And I'm already burning.
This is like a burner.
Yeah, Lava is covering it. Epic way to make it out of a lava pit.
Or make it even better.
Most made it. Anyway, friend, random people that you saw in this video. If you have an Xbox, that is.
Joey, what did you have for lunch today?
Nachos and yogurt.
Nachos and yogurt.
Okay. Thanks for watching.